Okay, for this lesson, we ask a storyline application which is almost the same as PPT. Immediately, for the first screen, there is the title Newton Law of Gravity, which is in accordance with the material we want to study now. Okay, next slide. Then we press the play button, then there are various screen of menu according to the exciting icon in next. Okay, we click the guide button in the guided turn light. Okay, and in guide introduction for us. And number 1, before studying in the lesson, pray first. Number 2, reading the guide first. Number 3, after the go to the material menu. 4, to make it easier to understand the material, please play the learning video. And number 5, in order to understand more deeply about this material, a quiz is provided. And B, button function. And okay, next button and home button. Next, click home button. Okay, then we press the home button. We turn the material into the menu, and after that we go the theory. Okay, next theory and definition and understanding Newton's law of gravity. And Sir Isaac Newton, who is a philosopher, theologian, mathematician, and physician, was impressed by the theory of gravity when he accidentally dropped an apple while sitting under an apple tree. So I can be conclude the force of gravity of the force of attraction and apply universally and is proportional to the mass of each object and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two objects and formula. Okay, next gravity field. Okay, B, gravity field. The gravitational field is defined as an area that is still under the influence of the gravity force. The gravity field will show the gravity acceleration of an object in the vicinity, the magnitude of the gravity field or gravitational acceleration in formula as. Okay, next Kepler law. Kepler law, Newton's law of gravity can be applied to explain the motion of the celestial body of the people who had great interest in astronomy was Johannes Kepler. He is famous for his third law of motion of celestial body, namely. Number 1, Kepler law of 1. The orbit of each planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of its focal point. Number 2, Kepler law 2. The line connection the sun and the planet sweeps out equal area in equal intervals of time. Number 3, Kepler law 3. The square of a planet period is proportional to the curve of the semi-major axis of the planet orbit. Kepler third law can be formulated. Okay, click home button. Okay, so
dimaksud dengan gaya gravitasi? Gaya gravitasi adalah gaya yang disebabkan oleh gaya tarik yang dihasilkan bumi. Gaya gravitasi ini akan menyebabkan semua benda yang berada di permukaan bumi selalu tertarik menuju ke bumi. Gaya gravitasi sangat bermanfaat karena dapat menahan benda-benda agar tetap berada di bumi. Jika tidak ada gaya gravitasi, maka semua benda yang kamu lemparkan ke atas dapat dengan mudah menghilang karena melayang di angkasa. Bahkan diri kamu sendiri dapat terbang dan sulit untuk kembali ke rumah. Contoh peristiwa sehari-hari yang menunjukkan gaya gravitasi antara lain yaitu jatuhnya buah yang sudah matang dari pohon ke tanah. Koin yang dilemparkan ke atas akan jatuh kembali ke lantai atau permukaan tanah. Air yang selalu mengalir ke tempat yang lebih rendah. Tentunya masih banyak lagi peristiwa di sekitar kita yang berkaitan dengan gaya gravitasi. Gaya gravitasi sangat bermanfaat dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Tahukah kamu apa saja manfaat gaya gravitasi? Berikut ini beberapa manfaat gaya gravitasi. Menahan benda-benda dan manusia tetap berada di permukaan bumi. Dengan adanya gaya gravitasi, kita dapat berjalan, berkendara, meletakkan benda, dan melakukan aktivitas lainnya dengan mudah. Bisa dibayangkan ketika gaya gravitasi di bumi kita hilang. Segala benda akan melayang-layang tidak jelas, dan kita akan kesulitan untuk beraktivitas. Membuat segala benda memiliki berat. Dengan adanya gaya gravitasi, maka setiap benda yang berada di bumi memiliki beratnya sendiri. Berbeda ketika berada pada angkasa luar, yang tidak memiliki gaya gravitasi. Maka semua benda akan melayang-layang dan tidak memiliki berat. Sebagai sarana olahraga dan hiburan, kita dapat memanfaatkan gaya gravitasi sebagai sarana olahraga dan hiburan. Misalnya ketika kita bermain para layang, loncat indah, dan juga flying fox. Sebagai prinsip dasar ilmu penerbangan. Ilmu penerbangan dan semua perangkat penerbangan dibuat dengan cara menghitung gaya gravitasi dengan daya yang harus dihasilkan agar pesawat dapat melayang. Dengan bantuan gaya gravitasi pula, pesawat dan benda terbang lainnya dapat terbang. Menjaga agar bulan tetap pada orbitnya. Bulan dapat berada tetap pada orbitnya karena adanya pengaruh gaya gravitasi bumi, sehingga bulan tidak akan keluar menjauhi bumi. Gaya gravitasi juga membuat planet-planet di tata surya bergerak dengan seimbang sesuai dengan jalur dan tempatnya masing-masing.
Well, in this video, it is a planet that gravity is on type of force that is influenced by the attraction of an object to the center of the object. Therefore, the understanding of the Earth's gravity force is the force of acceleration that pulls an object toward the center of the earth. An example of the application are apples that fall from a tree, coins that are thrown up the so down, and will us benefit so as we can stand on the surface of the earth. The moon is still around its axis and so on. The next we'll try the quiz. Click button home. Okay, play. Nah, regulation and how to play quiz. And number one, before starting the quiz, it would be nice to pray according to its another belief. And number two, this quiz can measure the ability of students whether they have understood the material or not. Number three, in this quiz, there are two easy questions. Next, number one. Okay. For the next, we will try the quiz. Yes, no. There are two questions. Let's try to work together on the first question.
Okay, it is known that the value of gravity is 6,672. Okay. Okay. And okay, and next, F is equal to G M1 and 2 R squared. Okay, next, F G 6,672 and M1 and 2 to 10 to the power of 20 and M2 for 10 power of 20. R 2x squared. Okay, next, and okay, and finally the result is on point 33 10 to the 14 n. Okay, and okay, for the second question you can do it yourself. Okay,
How about the material that is explained earlier? Hope you can understand it. Okay, or are you still confused of have question? Okay, since no one asked for this meeting, I will finish it. Okay, see you at the next meeting with the temperature and height. So many meeting this afternoon. Let's end it by reading Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Wassalamualaikum.